Hello friends, welcome back to another session. I am Sushma Roy and I am today going to explain you about the various areas which are maintained by the housekeeping department. In the last video, we had seen and understood what is housekeeping and what is the role of the housekeeping department in a hotel. And in today's video, we are going to understand the various areas which the housekeeping department maintains, or the various areas which comes under the preview of the housekeeping department. For better understanding, I have divided these areas into two different segments. The first segment comprises of the front of the house areas, means the areas which are used by the guests of the hotel. And the second segment involves the back of the house areas, means the areas which are not used by the housekeeping guests but which are handled only by the staff. So first let's look about the front of the house areas. There are lots of areas in the front of the house areas which comes under the housekeeping department. The first and the most important of them are the guest rooms, means the rooms where the guests are going to stay in the hotel. The guests are, it's very important because guest is going to stay in this room for a considerable amount of time and they're going to experience this room. So maintaining the guest room is very important, because a guest who gets a good, clean and hygienic room, there are many chances that this guest is going to be a repeat customer or a repeat guest to the hotel. So the first important area which is handled by the housekeeping department is the guest rooms. Apart from guest rooms, we also handle the guest corridors, means the corridors or the public spaces outside the guest rooms are also maintained by the housekeeping department. In the hotels, the housekeeping department specifically trains a particular group of employees who are good and who are trained employees to take care of the guest rooms and other areas. Now these people are trained in the room within the premises of the hotel by trained housekeepers, so that they know what is exactly expected out of them. So after finishing the guest rooms and the guest corridors, the next area which comes under housekeeping is the lobby and the public areas. The public areas means the areas which are open for all the guests, which are spaces where we have many people moving around during the part of the day. So we again have a specific team, a special team of housekeeping employees who are specifically working in the public spaces. Their main job is to keep cleaning these public spaces and at any point of time make sure that the areas are spick and span. Housekeeping also deals with the cleaning of the pool and the patio areas. Swimming pool, a very important part of a hotel where many guests come for recreational purposes and to relax. The cleanliness of the swimming pool and also the area around the swimming pool is a job of the housekeeping department. We have specific team who concentrates on the cleaning of the swimming pool, who makes sure that the area is neat, clean at every point of time, so that the guest gets a good experience near the swimming pool. Housekeeping also deals with the cleanliness of the restaurants, all the restaurants and the coffee shops in the hotel. Restaurants and coffee shops need to be carefully planned by the housekeeping department, making sure that the restaurant is cleaned well before it is open for the guest, and as well as it cleans after the restaurant is closed for the guest, because during when the guest is dining, we make sure that we do not cause any inconvenience to the guest by cleaning the areas in front of them, unless and until it is an emergency. Housekeeping also cleans the banqueting and the conferences areas. We need to coordinate with the banquet sales team to know and understand that various functions which are going to be held in the banquets and various meetings which are going to be held in the meeting rooms, so that we keep the area ready well in advance before the function starts. The housekeeping work does not stop here. The housekeeping has to make sure that they are available even during the function for any kind of emergencies. And once the function is over, we again need to thoroughly clean the area and make sure that it is ready for the next function, which may be scheduled the same day or the next day. The other front of the guest areas which are dealt by housekeeping are the hotel shopping arcade, if the hotel has any. All the hotel shopping arcades are cleaned and maintained by the housekeeping department, because it is an area which has been specifically designed for the guests to come and shop. Housekeeping also deals with the cleanliness of the health club and spa area of a hotel. Now this is an area where the guests, if they are going to use this area, they are again going to spend a good amount of time, because this is an area where the guest has come to relax. So it is very important that the housekeeping makes sure that these areas are perfectly and thoroughly cleaned. Cleanliness, again, I specify, that does not mean just cleaning the surfaces, but making sure that the area is hygienically safe for the guest. Apart from these areas, the other most important front of the house areas are the gardens and the landscaping, and also the building exterior or the facade of the building. Means the building exterior, the structure of the hotel building from outside also needs to be cleaned, and it has to be carefully planned by the housekeeping department as to when and how are they going to do it. Landscaping is a very, very important part of the housekeeping department. We have a special team of gardeners who are well trained in this area. Their job is only and only to take care of the gardens and the landscape and the various plants, be it interior plants also, which are placed inside the hotels. So these are the few front of the house areas which are maintained by the housekeeping department. Now since we are done with the front of the house areas, let's move and understand the back of the house areas, which are again maintained by the housekeeping department. These back of the house areas are not the areas which are going to be used by the guest, but these are the areas which are going to be used only and only by the staff. The first important area which I would like to talk about is the laundry. Laundry is a very important part of a hotel. This is the area which deals with the cleanliness of all the linen and the uniforms of a hotel. Laundry is an important part of housekeeping, and all the linen, the cleanliness of linen and uniforms is handled by laundry, and in turn it is handled by housekeeping. Once the linen and the uniforms are cleaned in the laundry, the clean uniforms and the linen are stored in the linen and the uniform room. So the linen and the uniform room is the second important back of the house area which is handled by the housekeeping. It has to be made sure that the linen room is well equipped and has enough of storage space to keep the clean linen. In the uniform room, we need to make sure that we have enough of space to keep the clean uniforms of the employees, so that at any point of time, no employee falls short of a clean and a well-maintained uniform. Apart from linen and laundry, what the other areas which are handled by the housekeeping are the management offices. All the administrative and the management offices are again cleaned by housekeeping. We again have a specific team of people, a group of people who are specially designated only and only to clean the administrative offices. It's very important that we make sure that all the offices are readily available for the employees to use. They have to be clean and they have to be maintained at every point of time. The storage areas, the receiving areas, the store rooms are also maintained by housekeeping in hotels. We also have the employee locker rooms. The locker rooms where the employees have their personal belongings, that also is maintained by the housekeeping department. So in short, we understand that housekeeping deals not only with a particular area of a hotel, but this is the department which has access to each and every area of a hotel, and they are responsible for the maintenance of the entire hotel inside out. So that's the reason we say that housekeeping is like a backbone of the hotel, which makes sure that the hotel is presentable at every point of time. For better understanding, towards the end of the video, I have displayed a document which clearly lists down the various areas which I have mentioned in this video. So friends, thank you for watching this video. We will meet again after a while in another session learning new things about hotels.